What's up guys, it's Ben here. Welcome back to another 717 Supply YouTube video. Brand new giveaway is now live, 100x entries, so we're gonna go over it. We're gonna do a full tour. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you guys stay cool. And here is the key to what could be your next ride. This beautiful 2026 Toyota TRD Pro 4Runner in that beautiful Wave Maker blue. Very hard color to find, but we were able to find one in the spec that we wanted. This color is absolutely insane. It looks so much better in person, I gotta say, but it also looks good on camera, I'm not gonna lie. So we got those KMC 17-inch wheels, pretty expensive wheel here with the Toyo Open Country tire on there. It's about a 35-inch tire. And the great thing is, no rub, but very aggressive fitment. Looks so, so good. Let's look at that TRD Pro badge. Really cool looking badge up there. Of course, you got the hood scoop. I'll show you guys the light bar. Of course, that does light up, as well as you got the two rigid lights there on the front bumper as well. I'll throw over some B-roll. It is so hot outside. It's like 103 degrees. So sorry, I'm gonna be in the shop right now for the tour, but I will give you guys some B-roll, especially when we go inside the car, so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, I actually decided to go outside here to record. It looks a lot better in the sunlight, in my opinion. Anyway, we have the two side steps here, one for the driver and for the passenger. Of course, you get your roof rack up top. Really cool looking taillights here, LED, of course. Cool design, I really love the design on this. Let's move back here. Good look at the hatch. And if we move up, if we actually look here, there are two buttons, up and down, and one says lock and unlock. If you actually hold down, unlock, check this out. The rear window goes down. So if you wanna put some cargo that sticks out completely and you don't wanna open the tailgate, you can, of course, just open that independently. Really cool feature right there. And if we wanna put it back up, hold that down, goes back up nice and easy. And looking at the bottom of the hatch here, you're gonna have that TRD Pro badging, as well as the iForce Max badging. Now this is a hybrid powertrain. It is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. You're getting 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Of course, you're getting that electric immediate torque, which is really good for off-roading. Some people really don't realize that, but it is fantastic if you wanna take this thing off-road. Now, looking inside the hatch here, we have some nice features as well. Of course, you're gonna have that cargo net, that rugged kind of rubberized cover on the bottom there, and you have a 120 volt right there power outlet on the side. Now maybe the coolest feature, actually it is the coolest feature, back here is your air compressor. Hit the power button there, gonna see it power up, accept, and right there you can pick whatever PSI you want to set your tires to. This is gonna be great for off-roading if you need to air down and then air right back up. After you are finished, just hold power, turns right off there. Of course, you're gonna have the cargo cover here, pulls right out, easy, you can hide your stuff. Plenty of storage on the side there. This thing is just so usable, and just look how large the space is. Toyota really optimized the trunk space here versus the rear kind of, foot space, but there is still plenty of foot space in the rear. I will show you guys that as well. Okay, as that rear hatch closes, let's move around here to the rear seats. Now, let's check out the door card here. You are getting some really nice red stitching on the side there. Leather, you got a little carbon kind of style inlaid there. This cool pattern right here kind of goes throughout the entire cabin. JBL speaker on the side here. Of course, the entire sound system is JBL. We see that nice pattern there on the rear seats. As we move into the center here, we have double vents there. And then of course, we have another 120 volt power outlet with two USB-C ports. And last but not least, I do have the windows open now. Moving on to the driver's seat. So you have that TRD Pro badging carried throughout. Carbon fiber there style on the little inlay right there. Of course, more red stitching. Just that overall rugged look, plenty of storage there as well. Now, moving on to the inside. We have all of your kind of lighting controls over here, aux controls. Of course, you can operate the hatch. You're also gonna have your TRD light bar. Let me go ahead and light that up for you. Your TRD light bar is gonna be right here. And of course, you can control the lighting function for the hatch. You got your electronically controlled tilting telescoping steering wheel. Really nice right there. And your driver's seat, of course, matches all the other seats. Really cool pattern on there. Really digging the styling inside this 4Runner. looks really good. Of course, you got your power adjustable seats. Now moving into the driver's seat, of course, you've got your digital dash there. Really nice looking steering wheel. You got the TRD, red TRD logo on the bottom there. And of course that red stitch up on the top. Got your kind of phone controls, your volume controls, and over here you're gonna have all your sort of cruise controls as well. Really cool red TRD startup button right there. Giant screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, extremely responsive, great screen, what you'd expect from Toyota. See that really cool badging right there, the kind of 3D look Toyota on top of the carbon fiber with the red stitch below it. Looks really, really good in my opinion. And you know we got that AC cranked right now. It's 103 degrees out, but we also have cooled seats. That's what I'm talking about. That's really helping me out right there. A lot of physical controls on this HVAC system. Really nice knobs, really good positive feedback there. Of course, you have the kind of old school style gear selector. Got the TRD logo right there, as well as you have that nice red stripe down there in the middle. Down here, you're gonna have all of your kind of 4-wheel drive controls, drive mode controls, towing controls, 4 low, 4 high, 2 high. Of course, drive mode select. Just gonna go ahead and rotate this dial right here. Really nice positive feedback on that. You got your trailer view here for the camera. Of course, we don't have one hooked up right now. We also have a 360 view here. We hit that, we can see on our giant screen a 360-degree view of this vehicle. You have a ton of cameras that you can cycle through. I won't show them all because it's kind of insane how many there are. Of course, you have your rear diff locker, and you can disconnect the stabilizer bar as well with that button. Nice grab handle there on the side for your passenger. Of course, the design continues through the cabin for the passenger as well. Just really, really cool looking off-road, rugged. I know I've said a bunch of times, styled interior that I really dig. And then one thing I absolutely cannot forget, you have that portable JBL speaker. Just hit the old eject button right there, ejecto seato ka, and you're gonna get this JBL speaker, perfect for the tailgate or your 4th of July party. You're also gonna see those JBL speakers here on the A-pillars. And of course, I didn't want to miss, you're gonna get that sunroof up there as well. Taking a look at the engine bay here, like I said, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder hybrid, 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque. Real cool looking intake here with the TRD logo on it, the red piping. Some of the more old school people might be saying, you know, it's only a 4-cylinder, it's not a 6. Why didn't they give us a 6? Well guys, they've been doing the hybrid powertrains for how long? How many millions of Priuses have they sold? I think they know a thing or two about hybrid systems. It's gonna be really reliable, makes more power and torque. It's really better than a V6, probably better gas mileage as well. And then one more thing I didn't wanna miss, guys, that really cool looking TRD Pro tuned electronically adjusting suspension. Really, really cool feature, makes this thing an off-roading animal. So there it is, guys, the full overview of our 2026 4Runner TRD Pro. Let me know if I missed anything. There's so many like hidden Easter eggs and different things you can find on these vehicles. If you want to win this, plus the $10,000 plus a paid in full family vacation to anywhere in the world, go to 717supply.com right now. You're getting 100 times entries with every single purchase you make. And I was told for tonight and tomorrow only, the 3rd and the 4th only, you're also getting automatically entered for 2 bonus prizes. You get to pick between the 2. So there's gonna be 3 winners for that. It's a recovery kit and a mobile barbecue kit. So just an extra bonus prize. It does not hurt your chance of winning the grand prize, the vehicle and the cash and the vacation. And one more thing on top of that, guys, we are offering the largest entry pack I think we've ever offered, 250,000 entries. So if you go to the website tonight and tomorrow only, you can get an entry pack worth 250K entries. 717supply.com, automatically entered every single order. Good luck.